Are you searching for a scholarship that can actually help pay your tuition and cover your study expenses? Well, you're in the right place. The SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship for the 2025-26 session is now open for applications, and it could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. This is a government-backed scholarship by the SBI Foundation, offering incredible financial support to Indian students from school all the way up to the postgraduate level. In this complete video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, the eligibility criteria, the documents you'll need, and a clear, step-by-step process to apply online before the deadline. So, stick around, because you don't want to miss a single detail. First up, what exactly is the SBI Asha Scholarship? It's a flagship program under the State Bank of India Foundation's CSR initiative. The main goal is to support talented students from low-income families, helping them pursue their education without the constant worry of financial burdens. What's amazing is that it covers a huge range of categories. Whether you're a school student, an undergraduate, a postgraduate, studying medicine, engineering at an IIT, management at an IIM, or even an Indian student planning to study abroad, there's a category for you. Honestly, it's one of the largest corporate social responsibility scholarships in India, and it has already changed thousands of lives. Now, let's talk about the important part. Are you eligible for the 2025-26 session? Let's break it down. If you're a school student, from class 9 to 12, you need to have scored at least 75% in your previous final exam. Also, your annual family income must be under 3 lakh rupees. Now, if you're in college, a university, or pursuing professional courses like engineering, medicine, or management, the rules are slightly different. The family income limit is higher, extending up to 6 lakh rupees per year. A key point for undergraduate and postgraduate applicants is that your institute must be ranked in the top 300 according to the latest NIRF rankings. There's also good news on the inclusivity front. There's a 10% relaxation in the marks requirement for students from SC and ST categories. Plus, a full 50% of the scholarships are reserved for female candidates and students from SC/ST communities, ensuring fair opportunity for everyone. Alright, let's get to the most exciting part. How much financial support can you actually get? Before you jump into the online application, let's make sure you have all your documents ready to go. This will make the process much smoother. You'll absolutely need your previous year's mark sheet, your Aadhaar card or another form of government-issued identity proof, your current admission letter or fee receipt, your personal bank account details, and a valid income certificate or your parents' Form 16. If you belong to a reserved category, make sure you have your caste certificate handy as well. A pro tip here, please ensure every document is scanned clearly and is easily readable before you start uploading. A blurry or illegible document is one of the top reasons for rejection. Okay, are you ready to apply? Let's go through the step-by-step application process for the SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025-26. First, you'll need to visit the official scholarship portal. I'll link it in the description below. Once you're there, click on the Apply Now button. Next, you'll need to register. You can do this using your email ID or mobile number. Create your account and set a password. After registering, log in with your new credentials and carefully select the correct scholarship category that applies to you, whether it's school, undergraduate, postgraduate, or overseas studies. Then comes the main part, filling out the application form. You'll need to enter all your personal, academic, and bank details with 100% accuracy. Double-check everything, especially your name, date of birth, and bank account number. After filling in the details, it's time to upload those documents we talked about earlier. Once everything is uploaded, take a moment to review your entire application one last time. Make sure there are no typos or errors. Finally, accept the declaration and hit that submit button. And you're done. After you submit, you can easily check your application status anytime by logging back into your dashboard on the portal. Now, let's talk about the dates you absolutely need to remember. Applications for the 2025-26 scholarship session officially opened on September 19, 2025. The final date to submit your application is November 15, 2025. I cannot stress this enough, please do not wait until the last week. The portal always experiences very heavy traffic as the deadline approaches, which can cause glitches or slow loading times. To be safe and ensure your application goes through without any issues, it's always best to apply early. So, what happens after you apply? The selection process for the SBI Asha Scholarship is both merit-based and need-based. The first step is an online shortlisting of applications based on the eligibility criteria you've met. After this initial screening, some shortlisted students may be contacted for a telephonic interview or asked for additional document verification to confirm the details provided. Once your application is fully approved, the scholarship amount is directly transferred to the beneficiary's bank account. The process is completely online, so there's no need to send any physical documents unless the foundation specifically requests them. To help you succeed, let me share a few common mistakes you should definitely avoid. First, as I mentioned, do not upload blurry, incomplete, or incorrect documents. This is a deal breaker. Second, triple check that your bank account number and IFSC code are correct. A small mistake here can cause major delays in receiving your funds. Third, double check that your college or school is actually eligible under the program's criteria, especially the NIRF ranking requirement for higher education. And my final pro tip: never, ever wait until the last date to apply. Applying early significantly increases your chances of a smooth process and successful approval. Follow these tips, and your application journey will be much more successful. The SBI Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025-26 is truly a life-changing opportunity for thousands of Indian students who need that financial push to continue their education and build a bright future. If you meet the eligibility criteria, don't let this chance slip by. Apply online today and take that important step closer to achieving your dream career. I hope this detailed guide was helpful. For more verified scholarship updates, career advice, and visa guidance, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Visa Connection, and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions about the application, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. All the very best for your application. May all your hard work bring you immense success. Thank you for watching.